truck, can't put me in no tank. Shoot a brick, I'm like Shaquille, put me in the paint. Lil' bro and green, burn the hole, they caught him with a shank.
Yo, it's no love for something back with another video, man. That's what, like, my second vid down here type shit. Like, I told you I got something on the way for y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. It's not just studio false. It's prankster false in the cut. Hold on, let me show you what I got. Hold on. I got that water with me. You know what time it is. I'm finna be sneezing on them boys. I'm finna be like. They finna be like, who that was? Watch, I'm telling you, I gotta. Just stay tuned though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we out here. Let's do it.
Cards, you saved my neck by putting that extra card back in there. She counted all 24. She said they're not here, so that I got my money back. Now they got a ton of different things you want.
My bad. I'm a little sick right now.
Yeah, I see that.
My bad.
This one's like sneezing over here. You got stuff for $3.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay. I'm a little sick today.
Seen me though, you feel me? Y'all was on y'all P's and Q's. Yeah.
They finna get y'all boys. Y'all lucky y'all was on your P's.
Yeah, y'all, you feel me? Excuse me. My bad. It's allergy season. You fuck with Snoop Dogg?
Huh?
You fuck with Snoop Dogg?
My what with Snoop Dogg? Yeah, I know he is. I just don't cook with him. I mean...
I don't think he know how to cook.
No, I don't think he does. I think you're right.
My bad. It's allergy season. My allergies bad. Too.
Oh my God.
Yeah, allergies is no joke. You okay? Oh, you want me to wipe it for you?
No.
Oh, my bad.
Don't touch me. Why are you sneezing in my back?
I ain't take my medicine.
Shit. I don't want your fucking germs.
I ain't got no germs.
Hey, everybody has germs.
Not me. My germs is clean. Hey, quit cussing.
Quick cut.
You're right here.
1, 2, 3.
He recording. Fuck you mean?
She put me in the video when I was recording. Now watch me come back in this motherfucker tomorrow and then she do dick right.
How you feel about that? What are you saying?
He done fucked up because he done came in here a couple times and wasn't really stunning him. But
Oh, how you feel?
On my mama, I never shot my shot. See, you got me started. I
lying,
never
y'all.
shot my shot. Man,
he's lying. He asked for my Instagram about twice now.
You asked. Hey, gang. You asked for the Instagram twice. She said.
Don't get on here lying. Don't get on this. All right.
So answer the question though. What you doing?
So, Mary Smash kill. I'm gonna kill him.
She killing him. Put it. Who she killing?
No, I said I was killing him. Well, I should kill him now just because you came. Okay, he's killed. He's killed. He think he's smooth.
W Riz?
He think he's smooth.
All right. So who you?
Okay.
Bro, hold on, bro. Finish.
No, ain't okay.
You kissing or married? What you doing?
Wait, what is it again?
Mary Smash kill.
Mary Smash kill. Okay, kill. Smash Mary.
I only take dubs. You take dubs?
Do I take dubs? Hell yeah, I'll take dubs.
Yeah.
Okay, you recording? I'm gonna tell y'all about myself. All right, y'all, so here's the deal. My name is Kenai. I'm a YouTuber from Akron, Ohio. He about to give his old backstory. Nah, it's your boy Kenai, you feel me? I'm about to...
May interview somebody over there.
Oh, me interview? Yeah, I don't give a fuck about this interview. Y'all know me, nigga. I don't even gotta introduce myself, nigga. What? Hey, to the left. To the left, to the left.
Go, go, go.
I don't know which one she would like. Sorry, excuse me. Did any of that get on you?
I don't know.
I apologize if
right.
it. Yeah, I'm sorry. I feel like it's really just allergy season coming around, you know?
Yeah.
Got the dandelions flying out there and whatnot.
I can get you.
You have a good one, bro. Yeah. The fuck he just called me? I'm about to go walk that nigga down. Oh, that's a kid. Yeah. She just walked away. Nigga, where have you been? We thought you left, nigga.
What did you do? Yeah, get that nigga on record. He tripping.
Tweaking.
Crit on my daddy. What you talking about?
Wait, record this way.
You want a loyalty test right quick?
Loyalty test? Hey, let's face it. Let's face it. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Loyalty test. Loyalty test. Oh, no, hell no. I'm on that ass, boy.
Hey.
Cameraman, slow as hell. Where the hell cameraman? Cameraman, run. Come on. Loyalty test. I got a question. How many guys you got in your phone? Just him? Hey. How many girls you got in your phone?
I can't share that, man.
You can't shit. He's cheating. How do you feel?
Too many hoes.
And you're okay with that?
No, I've gone through this, but he's clear.
Hey.
He's clear.
Hey, you want me to prank him?
No love lost. What? No love lost. LUV.
Hey, cameraman.
No, it's LUV. LUV. Oh, FOS.
Scorpions?
Huh? Squirt you? You said she squirted you?
Yeah, she just
She just squirted
got
you?
something on her in that fanny. What is it?
Ooh.
NOLUV FOS. What the fuck is that?
NEV.
What?
Hey, can you subscribe to me too, bro? I know Kais and that.
NO.
I promise you. Yeah, go to my
Like
YouTube.
Overstream?
Go to my
I
YouTube.
was
I'll
over
show
there when
you.
he did that.
You were.
Yeah.
Was it crazy?
Shit was crazy as fuck.
Yeah.
Honestly.
You ever been to Atlanta? Yeah.
Wow, yo.
That's where MP
Let me
lives,
show
bro.
you.
What?
Type my YouTube in, bro.
What is it?
You subscribe too, bro?
I'll take a picture of it.
I'm famous.
And he gripping
Y'all
his
better
phone. He
actually-
think I'm finna take it.
Nah, he ain't gonna take it again. You good? Hey, I'm famous. You better get in right now. I'm trying.
Wait, hold on. You see that, right? You see that, right? I just
Yeah.
posted a video today. Let me go to the Kais and that vid, signing my play button. It hit different. Let's start there. It hit different. Yeah.
We famous for. I'm telling y'all.
I'm telling you, bro.
Be like I seen him already.
But I know King Nine.
Be like you know.
I'm like that,
You know
bro.
who Ryan with the sauce is?
Yeah.
That's my boy.
It hit different. Yeah, what happened to the loyalty? Can y'all swap phones?
Just cancel. I can't do that shit right now. I'm out in the mental space.
What they got going on? Clip this bitch on.
Oh, damn.
Like that. Smart guy. I stay in North Carolina with him. Oh, yeah,
North Kakalaki. This nigga live in the Outer Banks. Look like that.
yeah, that's my guy, bro.
Hey, y'all know John B?
Fucking show.
Outer Banks, you know John B? Hey, it's really Sarah and John B right here. All right, y'all, so I'm here with Sarah and John B today, and we're trying to get them to swap phones. Y'all gonna swap
Do
phones?
this shit for free.
For free.
For free.
We giving you free clout, gang.
What?
We give me a free call.
Free clout.
What?
I just showed y'all I knew Kais and that, bro. Come on, you can't get no more. And I met Corey Kenshin. Let's start there.
I know Drisky too. You need Drisky.
You know Drewski?
Yeah, I got you.
Do you? You know Willie?
I know
Who?
everybody.
The fucking old dude.
Oh,
The Willie, you know what I'm talking about?
yeah. Stop changing the topic. I'm gonna need you to switch that phone. Go ahead, give it to her.
Don't want to take me a lot.
You gotta.
Damn, niggas is so unfaithful nowadays, bro. You okay with that? Yeah.
With that?
I think you should just walk off with my dude, Drencham Foss.
Let me see. You might have come with Drench on Foss, cause I don't think he loyal to you. Like, cause
a girl.
I drench stuff.
Oh, she's a minor.
Damn, Chris.
Yeah, she admired, bro. What I say?
why
You going
you
to
weird
jail? You going to jail? You going to jail, gang?
Nigga going to jail.
Now he's going to
You
jail.
drench them false or you drench them false?
No,
Nigga?
drench him 9. You said you want drench him 9?
No, drench them nine taking. They hit different.
He only 17.
He's 17.
Yeah, how old is you?
Bro, I'm like the most famous 17
Yeah, he's 17.
I know, bro. You know how I got this?
What? How you
Eat 'em up 9.
eating what?
Eat 'em up 9. That's how I got this
Butt?
beard. I eat butt. Yeah, I eat butt. You gotta eat some butt, bro.
You
that
you
big.
eat butt? He cat.
You can't.
I can't.
Why not?
You can?
I can't.
Why not?
That's too risky.
Don't you want like facial hair though?
Here.
I got good facial hair. I have good genetics. I don't need to eat ass for that.
Well, I eat ass for mine. I don't know what to tell you.
You eating butt?
I eat butt for mine. That's how I got this.
Yeah.
That actually is crazy. I'm not
Yeah, that's
No, it's actually true. Like,
That's-
y'all think I'm joking. I'm so.
ain't that that's OC work, my guy. That's OC work.
It is true. What do you say?
We gotta go. Come on, we out.
All right, man. Hey, you guys. You gotta be real. Man. What you doing here, nigga?
Getting stuff from my girl.
Oh, your girl? She here?
Nah, she not.
I'm about to go sneeze on her.
No, she'll hit you.
You think so? All right, nink, nink.
I've been training her. She'll hit you.
Damn,
before I
nigga.
do.
You getting. There's people over there.
Yeah, the block hot over there. Oh.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Did you just get? Yo, this nigga's weird. He just trying to take my booty. He just trying to.
Can I get your autograph?
He was about to drop his balls in my. Hey, you want an autograph? I got you, gang.
my God.
Can you help me up?
Oh my god.
Can you help me up? I get the autograph. That nigga strong as hell. He's about to drop his balls in my mouth. Y'all just gonna sit there and watch? Y'all just gonna watch this nigga drop his balls in my like, bro?
Caught me in my dad's shoes and everything.
Nigga got dad shoes, like, bro. Like this nigga almost dropped his balls in my mouth. Bro, crazy, huh? I didn't say anything. What are they talking about? You know? All right, you see. Yeah. By the way, this my. What the fuck? This is my video fits. I promise I'll come trim every time. Yeah, not right now, but yeah, we recording.
He is recording.
Oh, he recording right now? Wait, we can't get the friends? You can follow us on IG? Nigga, we don't want your girl, we want her friends. Like, hell man, what the fuck this nigga talking about? All right, we gonna get your stuff from him though. Like, you feel me? Like, don't be an L man. Like, actually put niggas on. Like, niggas is weird. You know, sharing is caring. You know, Jesus shared his body for us. So like, you know, share your friend like tight shit.
No love.
Basically.
Became harassment at a certain point.
No love, daddy.
No, he an L man, nigga. We about to bad the friends. You cooked already, nigga. You ate your meal. Your meal was cooked.
Come on.
And already ate.
I gotta finish shopping for my girl.
What about him? I don't know, man.
Come on. Hey. Yeah. How old are you? 22. You ever played a game when you was a kid? Come on. Called like open the gate. Who do you hate?
Nah.
You never played it? You wanna play it? It's pretty fun. You just open the gate, say who do you hate? Ready? Open the gate. Who do you hate? Say somebody you hate.
Fuck, I can't even think of it. Let me think. Let's go with Billie Eilish.
Oh, that's your date, gang.
Bro.
I bet you wanted that one, didn't you?
Who?
Billie
Zendaya?
Eilish? Zendaya?
And Billie Eilish, he said.
Billie Eilish.
But you said Zendaya?
Nah.
You like black girls?
What?
Huh?
What?
What? I didn't say anything, bro.
Bro, what do you
Kinda
say?
tweaking, bro.
I peeped it.
You peep what?
You peep what?
Okay.
Who is that? Are you with him? Yo, bro, why are you recording this right now, bro?
Crazy.
Like,
Crazy.
Yeah, bro. Let's get him, bro. Let's get him too. Come on. Let's all three.
Let's get him.
all walk
Let's
over.
get him. Let's get him.
You're not coming. Come on.
Cause I'm coming. I'm coming.
He about to bust all in your face while you recording. He about to bust on your face if you don't stop recording.
Bro, I couldn't get him because like he turned around quick and said.
Bro. Wait, chat. What I said was get up.
I'm walking like this.
Let's run it. Ballin'.
That's good. How's your day?
It's been sliding. How we doing? A little YouTube, shit like that.
He don't know what he's talking
Fucking up y'all stuff a little bit. He been messing up the whole story though.
about. When stuff fall, I just gotta
So
say,
like if you find some stuff on the ground and shit like that,
all you gotta do is say, get
just come find
and
him.
it's gonna get up.
His name is
you ever seen me before?
Naja.
That's good. That's good. If you ever see me here again, mind your business.
Yeah, if they said if you see some stuff on the ground, just say it was not say it was Naja.
You put my gut.
What we eating on?
What? I mean, wait, you talking about food?
You eating butt tonight?
Type shit.
Yeah, if you got any friends that eat butt, like this the perfect guy right here. Like yeah, for sure.
King 9 on YouTube. Yeah.
How you say your name?
Kale.
Oh, you go to Kent State.
KSU.
Them girls from KSU hit different.
It do hit different. It do hit different.
You have a good one. I mean, that sneezer prank was OC, wasn't it, gang?
Get up.
What he talking about? But they ain't never seen Foss do the pranks crazy, man. I'm coming on the wave, though, you feel me? Like, we got pranks after pranks after pranks after pranks after pranks after pranks after pranks.
You coming on what, sir?
I'm coming on pranks. And I got that cheese prank for y'all coming soon. They ready for that cheese prank?
Get up.
You know how my boy Nine the cut, and then I have my boy in the little sneezing joke. Push up, gang. Tell them where they can find you type shit.
No love, false.
Get up.
He trimmed, gang. I don't know what he talking about, but I got some bangers on the way. Like, comment, subscribe. And
Share
if
with your auntie.
you wanna if you got your shoes on right now, you definitely gotta subscribe. What you gotta say?
Again, if you got your hand on your Bible, keep doing it. You feel me? Nigga, yeah.
It hit different. Tune in, no cap. Yeah.